Lily's dress, a Pucky the Little Budgie story. Hi! Check out how good I am at cutting! Now to use the sticky tape. Perfect! Another art piece done! What do you think? I love it! And all I used was paper, a scissor and sticky tape. What art piece should I create next?
Oh no!
That was Lilly! I wonder what is wrong? You okay, Lilly?
My favorite dress is ruined. I'm going to have to throw it away.
I have a great idea! I'm going to make your dress better than before with my art skill.
Art skill?
Yes! You will love the dress even more! I'll show you!
I doubt I'll love it more.
I'll show her! My art skills are awesome! Let's see what the problem is with the dress. It has 3 places where it's torn. And it's a very boring dress. I know exactly what to do. I'll cut out shapes of different colors. And use sticky tape. Looks good! My masterpiece! Doesn't it look awesome? Maybe I should move the one shape? Oh no! It's completely ruined! It's Lilly! I have to do something!
Let's see the dress.
It's here!
I love it! It's my new favorite dress! Thank you, Pucky! You're the best!
Phew! Told you I have good art skills!